So this is what I'm cooking for lunch today. Some pork loin fillets, fine ones, some garlic, red pepper, that's going to be fried as well, and I've got some potatoes here which I'm going to turn into chips or fries or fried potatoes. Anyway, you can rate or slate my food today. So let's begin and cook this. So I've got my chips here, washing away. I've got my red pepper cut into strips. I've got my garlic cut, sliced up. And I've got my pork loin thinly sliced. And I've got my frying pan here for the chips, which I'm going to turn the heat on, full whack, and we'll wait for that to heat up. And not forgetting my glass of red wine. So the chips are in. I've got another lot waiting here. Right, the chips, fries, fried potatoes are done. So I'm going to take them out and put them on here to get the oil out. So there they are. And now I'll put these in. And we'll fry these up as well. And to these we'll add some salt. So I've added some salt to these and I'll give them a shake, and then when these others are done we'll put them on here, add a bit of salt, give them a good shake, take this out, and they're done. And now in this same oil I'll fry the peppers and the garlics. So the garlic and the red pepper is sorted. I've added some salt to it. I'm draining the excess oil, and I've got my frying pan here ready to chuck in these babies. So the oil is ready, and I'll chuck in the pork loin fillets and get these babies fried up. And here is our lunch today. Pork loin fillets with chips, fried potatoes, red peppers and garlic. Go on, rate or slate my plate. Sorry for don't know what's happening here with the camera.